Good day. Have you ever walked into a hotel or restaurant and felt truly welcome? Not just by served, but genuinely cared for? That feeling, that's the magic of hospitality. Today, I want to share why FFA. Heartfelt service is the key to success in the hospitality industry and why it's more important than ever. We'll explore three key ideas. First, the power of personalized service. Second, how technology can enhance, not replace, human connection. And finally, why empathy should be at the center of every hospitality experience.
When a hotel remembers your name or a server calls your favorite drink, it creates a memorable experience. Research shows that 70% of customers return because of exceptional service, not just products or prices. Example, once stayed at a boutique hotel where the staff surprised me with a local treat, where after learning about my travels, a small gestures that made my stay unforgettable.
Technology like mobile check-ins and digital menus can make service faster and smoother. But it should never replace the warmth of human interaction. Think about a robot greeting you cannot really read your mood or respond with kindness. Statistic. Studies find that customers still value personal touch over automation in hospitality by a margin of 8 to 1.
In an industry built on serving others, empathy allows staff to understand and anticipate needs, especially in difficult situations. Training staff in emotional intelligence improves guest satisfaction dramatically. During the pandemic, hotels that showed empathy to stranded travelers not only helped people, they also earned lifelong loyalty.
To sum up, a genuine hospitality is about personalized care, thoughtful use of technology, and empathy. These aren't just buzzwords. They're the future. In the world rushing toward automation, the heart of hospitality will always beat strongest through human connection.